Identify the graph of the equation as a parabola, hyperbola, ellipse, or circle. Our equation is 16x squared is equal to 144 plus a 9y squared. I'd like to see our x squared and y squared terms on the same side, so I'm going to rewrite this as 16x squared minus 9y squared is equal to 144. I think I'll go ahead and take one more step before I identify this, and that is divide each term by 144. Thus we'll have an x squared over 9 minus y squared over 16 is equal to 1. Now, because this equation has both an x squared term and a y squared term, and the fact that it has a minus sign in between, one of those terms is positive, the other is negative, set equal to a positive value over here, a positive 1, then we know this to be a hyperbola.